Well, as you know, the chips are such an important part of the performance and the cost structure for people running technology infrastructure. And we learned in the CPU side of the business, we had this deep relationship with Intel, which we still do. But when you have a significant leader, it's not always their priority to take price performance down for customers. And one thing we learn about customers over and over and over again is they want better price performance. And so we built Graviton, our own custom CPU silicon, which is about 40% more price performant than the leading other x86 processors. And that has been really great for our customers and business. And about 90% of our top 1,000 customers now use Graviton in a very significant way. And we just saw this same movie happening in the AI space. And we have a very deep partnership with NVIDIA, and we will for as long as I can foresee. But customers badly want better price performance. And so that's why we built Trainium. Our Trainium 2 chip has been fully subscribed. Anthropic runs hundreds of thousands of Trainium 2 chips as they're building their next model of, they're training their next model of Claude on top of it. And, it's a multi-billion-dollar business. And we just released Trainium 3, which is our next version of the chip, which is 40% more price performant than Trainium 2. And Trainium 2 was about 30 to 40% more price performant than the other leading GPUs out there. And so it's just, if you want to allow customers to be able to use AI as expansively as they want, you must take the cost of inference down. Mm-hmm. And the chip is a big piece of it. And if you're building a big inference business like we are, if you want to have a business that not just lets customers pay less, but also where you have sustainable margins over time, you're strategically disadvantaged if you don't have your own custom silicon.
Do you see a world in which AWS is primarily a Trainium cloud?
I suspect that as far as I can foresee, we're going to always have customers who want to run other chips, whether it's NVIDIA or AMD.
That seems to be the one they want to run still.
Yeah, I mean, you're going to still see that, but I think you're seeing a pretty big shift in how people are using what chips they're using. I mean, if you just look at Bedrock, which is the significant part of our inference, Bedrock already is predominantly Trainium running underneath it. And so I suspect over time that you will see us have quite a bit of our usage as Trainium. And then I expect we'll have other chips that run very successfully for customers as well.